Mantayupan Falls in Barili. Ah, naguna-una na gid sila. Okay. Excited kayo mo ha? Are you excited? Ha? Okay, no papa only. Mama will take video. Mama will take video, Rox. Okay, kanina lang oh. Okay, hold mama. Here. Okay, hold mama. Wow. Oh, mingaw ra kaayo. No? Nabay klase ang uban. Kami ra kay wala nang eskwela. Okay, careful. Careful, Rox. Okay. Okay, careful here, oh. Here, oh. Okay. Nawata si Rox Choy. Okay. Yeah, you will swim. Miss Maya sabi, smile Ate Yuna. Absent ra ba ka? Smile good kay absent. Smile guys. Okay, look. Wow. Mantayupan Falls sa Barili guys. Kuman pagkaon. Ningaw, no? Actually, nara sa mga kuan dito, tables and chairs. Pero mostly diri kay patong raman sa bato, no, para safe. Soon lasad ni. Ningaw ra karon. Kay today is Friday. And absent me. Oh, absent amo ang exam fee. You know, your food.
Sit down. Sit down, dito. Dili ito, stick ko. Ano yung nabi?
You want to eat? Okay, you want to swim again? Okay, smile first. Okay, sit down lang, sit down. Uy, wash hands, no, not there, uy. Wash hands ko na siya dito.
Enough.
Yun na, not there, yun na. Uto yung plants karon. Oh, there's flowers, oh. Okay. Yun na. Uy. Hi guys. Where are we, yun na? You say we are in Mantayupan Falls. Look. Look at our back. The highest waterfalls in Cebu. Uy, mong spaghetti ko ano, napa oh. Huh? Choy. Hi. Oh, bingaw ra. Kay today is Friday. Tumingaw ra kay absent. I leave them papa. Absent among estudyante. Are you happy? Ha? Did you enjoy? Did you enjoy the... Kung ano, mag-video na, mahuta na ka. Did you enjoy swimming? Is it cold? Is it cold? Not cold? Is it cold, Rox?
No, cold.
Not cold? Did you enjoy?
Mama,
Huwag mo gikapoy yung kamang-kamang sa bato.
Mama, I'm gonna tell them something.
Okay, what?
Mama, I was here when I was 2 years old, right?
Yeah. This is Yuna's second time here. And
First time.
yeah, Bibi Rock's first time in Mantayupan Falls.
And I'm here again.
Yeah. Look at us. Uy, ang mukha po eh. Dirito eh. Ayun, nakao parang. Ano, naupat oh. Bye guys.
Ah!
Na bye na, bye.
Bye.